you had some meetings before you were on Easton University. They went okay, but now you're getting more skillful. You got your purple belt, your brown belt, whatever, and you're like, man, I wish I had zoned in on a little bit more, but you're trying to make do with the little bit of information you have, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's one trick right out of the Easton University portal that you can use that might help you, and that's the time travel technique. Right? Like, let's say I'm talking to Chris. I see Chris on his Brady Bunch box next to you there. What's up, Chris? Let's say I'm talking to Chris. Chris and I had an okay meeting. I kind of figured out some high-level stuff, kind of talked, but I wish I could have dug in a little bit more. I can use the time travel technique by saying this. And by the way, this time travel technique is not exclusive to deals that have gone by weeks or months, or you can use this in the same meeting or the same phone call. It sounds like this. Chris, yeah, hey, I wanted to reach out to you. And I was hoping we can go back to something you said. I was going through my notes. I was hoping we could go back to something that you said in our previous meeting. When you said you're having a difficult time recruiting top-tier talent, can you give me a specific example of what you meant? Right? Or, Chris, I know you had said that you want to take the company from 10.1 million in annual revenue to north of 15. I want to go back to what you were saying there. What's your biggest reason for needing to break 15 million? And you literally time travel them, because all I'm doing is I'm saying, I want to go back to something that you said, right? Or I want to go back to something that was said, if it was a group meeting. What exactly did you mean by that? Or could you give me a specific example? This is giving you an opportunity to now learn that more information. Now, when you've learned it, you're like, hey, I want to reschedule a meeting. You're like, that's kind of what I was thinking in terms of top tier talent. And first of all, you don't have to send me a bill for therapy here. You are not the only company that is concerned about recruiting. It's like it's all of a sudden people have just started to figure out that we just can't bring people into the organization. Oh, go figure. They actually have to show up to work, make a difference, and move the company forward on their goals. And we are seeing that those rock stars, it seems like now in this year, are harder to find and further and fewer between. You know, based on everything you told me, it really does seem like an excellent fit in terms of increasing your benefits and doing that so you can get an at-bat with those rock stars. Does it make sense to blank? And now you're right back in there. But I got there by going back in time with that. I want to go back to something that you had said. I was going through my notes, right? By the way, even if you don't have notes, if you didn't use a sword and shield and you didn't take notes, you can still say I was going through my notes because your notes are in your head, right? They're not going to remember. They don't have notes. I want to go back to something you said and then get them to talk more about it. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun, and you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.